Hi viewers, welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is sequences. This theorem is very most important. This theorem using a basic definition, limit of a sequence. Okay, right. See, theorem statement is every convergent sequence in capital R has a unique limit point. Unique limit point. Or next statement here, a sequence S equals sequence Sn in capital R has at most one limit point. One limit point. Okay, now see here, see we are using here limit of a sequence, convergence sequence definitions using this problem, this theorem. See, let S equal to Sn be a convergent, CGT is here shortcut right here, convergent sequence in capital R. What we prove here, see, we have to prove that sequence Sn has a unique limit point. Unique limit point. Okay, if possible, suppose that there exist two limits s and t, for the sequence Sn, see, that implies let s be the limit point of the sequence Sn for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists a number capital N such that mod Sn minus s less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater than or equal to n. This is equation number 1. Next, let t be the limit point of the sequence Sn for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists a number capital N such that mod Sn minus t less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater than or equal to capital N. Equation number 2. Okay, consider mod s minus t that equal to mod s minus Sn plus Sn minus t. This is addition and subtracting here Sn. Now see here that equal to mod Sn minus s. Now see minus here common plus Sn minus t. Now see that less than or equal to mod minus of Sn minus s plus mod Sn minus t. So, sir, how to write here? See, less than or equal to, see, we are using that by triangular inequality. By triangular inequality theorem, mod a plus b less than or equal to mod a plus mod b. Okay, using this one. Now less than or equal to mod Sn minus s plus mod Sn minus t. See here, equation 1 and 2, mod Sn minus s, what is that? Less than epsilon by 2. Equation 2, mod Sn minus t, what is that? Less than epsilon by 2. See here, less than epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2. Base denominator same here, less than 2 epsilon by 2, LCM here, that less than epsilon. Okay, right? What is that? See here, mod s minus t. Mod s minus t equal mod s minus t less than epsilon. See here, therefore mod s minus t less than epsilon, since epsilon is an arbitrary number as epsilon tends to 0. Okay, epsilon tends to 0. Therefore s minus t tends to also 0. Mod s minus t tends to 0. S minus t equal to 0. Therefore s equal to t. S equal to t. Hence every convergent sequence has a unique limit point. Okay, this is theorem is very most important. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe my channel, don't forget like and share. Thank you everyone.